In recent years, the movement to bring manufacturing and supply chains back to domestic soil, known as reshoring, has gained significant traction. Rising geopolitical tensions, supply chain disruptions, especially post-pandemic, and a renewed focus on economic independence have pushed U.S. companies to rethink overseas production. A question you might be asking, but what does this mean for the transportation industry? Well, drivers. With shorter hauls and more local freight created by reshoring, means more goods will be manufactured closer to home. This translates into more regional and domestic freight, rather than long-haul international shipments. Shorter, more frequent trips could increase demand for local and regional trucking, boosting opportunities for small fleets and independent owner-operators, which in turn will increase demand for skilled drivers. With factories returning to home soil, there will be an uptick in the need to move raw material to factories and finished goods to distribution centers. Drivers. This is where we step in. In recent years, the transportation industry suffered during the global supply chain breakdown. Reshoring will bring supply chain stability, less reliance on ports, overseas delays, and customs bottlenecks. Domestic freight is easier to manage, track, and control, which benefits both shippers and carriers. And with the increase of more domestic manufacturing, there will be an even more increased need for intermodal transportation, especially rail-to-truck services. Factories located inland will need efficient connections to ports, warehouses, and retail centers. Intermodal hubs will become key players in this new, tighter supply chain ecosystem. There will also be a need for new warehouses and reliable infrastructure. To support reshored manufacturing, there will be heavy investment in logistics infrastructure, including new warehouses, upgraded roads, rail spurs, and distribution centers. This will improve delivery speeds and reduce congestion, making freight movement more efficient. With reduced reliance on ocean freight and overseas shipping, reshoring may contribute to a smaller carbon footprint for the transportation industry. Shorter domestic hauls allow for cleaner energy adoption, like electric trucks, which is already being tested in local and regional routes. So, drivers reshoring isn't just a win for American manufacturing, it's a game changer for the transportation industry. It brings more freight, better infrastructure, and more predictable supply chains. For trucking companies, rail operators, and logistics professionals, this new era offers a chance to grow, adapt, and thrive in a more resilient and localized economy. Stay vigilant, drivers, and as always, stay safe.